It's not every day that I get excited about a dock. After all, GNOME comes with a dock by default. And yet here I am making a video about a dock because it has super smooth animations and tons of features. Good enough to be part of your desktop customization setup. This is Dhruva Dock and I'll show you why this dock has got me excited. Let's see it in action. This one is visible right away when you start using the dock. Scroll animations in docks are not new, but here they are really smooth. You should feel it yourself. In technical terms, they are called smooth interpolation, but for us, the end users, it is a super fluid app icon magnifications. You can access its settings in the behavior tab under interaction and previews and change the zoom scale if you want. And if for some reasons you don't like the zoom effect, that's okay. If you don't like it, just disable it. If you're not a fan of long customization sessions, you're in luck here. Dhruva Dock comes with a lot of preset themes, and you can enable them in just one click. How simple is that? And that's not it. Apart from that, it actually allows you to add any custom colors you want and then fine tune the dock appearance as per your liking or as per your setup. Another interesting feature is that Dhruva can automatically change colors based on your wallpaper. And this way, it blends with the wallpaper and gives your Linux desktop a uniform, cohesive look. Let's see more of animations. Dhruva comes with more than 20 icon spin animations. Icon spin is when you click the icon of an app in the dock and the icon will undergo an animation. The settings controlling this can be found in behavior tab under this animation and effects area, and there you can choose the animation. So for example, you can have a spin icon, or you can do a swing, or even do a coin spin. I cannot possibly show you all 20, so I'll let you explore them. There are actually more animations, like window minimize effects are there. Like there are 5 different window minimize and restore effects. One of the popular ones is the magic lamp animation that was very trendy 20 years back if you were there on the Linux desktop scene. And you can change the window minimize effects, play with it and choose what you like. You have heard of elf on shelf. Now get ready for clock in the dock. While GNOME has a decent clock on the top panel, Dhruva gives the option to put a clock with calendar in the dock itself. You can toggle this on or off from the modules tab in the extension, and it can show you 24-hour clock, or you can change the clock text size or position in the dock. Fun thing to try. Most docks can be placed on the left or right or on the top or on the bottom, but Dhruva has a floating mode, and that allows you to put the dock anywhere in the screen. Enable the floating mode, and then you can use the mouse button to drag and place the dock anywhere you like. How cool is that? There is one more feature that I don't usually see in other docks. You can add your frequently visited folder in the dock. You can even give it a custom icon. This is like bookmarking, but the bookmark is in the dock itself. I told you, Dhruva is different from most docks out there. There are more configuration options which are not uncommon. You will find them in most other docks out there. For example, you can change the position of the dock to the top, bottom, left, right if you're not into floating mode. So you put them in specific section only. And you can also decide what monitor the dock can appear on. Next, you can change the size of the dock that suits your style and eyesight. There is also an Intellihide feature, which is again a common feature in most docks. So basically changing the visibility allows you to always hide the dock, and then you can hover on it to show it, or you hide the dock when a window is nearby with the DOS settings. You can also change the thickness, height, color and opacity of module separators. Module separators separate the clock, grid and icons. And you can do the same with the app separators. app separators, or basically the separators between the pinned apps and the running apps. These are obscure settings that I would hardly ever use, but they are there, so perhaps there is some good use of them. Okay, if you customize to your core and then you distro hop, you don't need to worry about repeating your customization again and again on the new system. You can export your current Dhruva Dock settings and import it on the other system. And the best thing here is that there is a reset to default option. So when you have messed up the looks and behavior with your not so excellent customization skill, no need to worry. There is this lifesaver feature, and I think the reset to default option should be there in at least in the customization apps. Like it's here. Since Dhruva Dock is a GNOME extension, you have to be a GNOME user to use it. That goes without saying, but still. And you can install it using GNOME Extension Manager tool or from the GNOME Extensions website. More information on Dhruva Dock can be found on its GitHub repo. The developer is Narak Agni, which literally means hellfire in Sanskrit. As you can see, Dhruva Dock is awesome. It is different than other docks in terms of features, and that's the reason we have put it in our list of best GNOME extensions for desktop customization, the video that we published earlier. It's your turn now. How do you like Dhruva Dock? Share your views in the comments, please, and I will see you in the next video.